So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share your TradingView chart. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your TradingView account so you can see your TradingView right there, your products, community, markets, brokers, and more. So under products you can see the super charts you can click on. On there you're gonna see some charts that you've been working on that you can set up. On there you can see a lot of different features on the left as well as top. 1-day candles, indicators, indicator templates, alerts, bar replay. Then you can see some name changes. You can see quick search, settings, full screen mode, and snapshots. So let's click on here. For chart snapshot, you can see there are 5 main ways to copy and share your chart, mainly through downloading that image, for copying that image, copying link, opening in a new tab, and tweeting that image. So if you click on copy link, which you can do from clicking Alt and the S key if you're using Windows or a PC, and from that point you can go to your messages, emails, some other ways of communication, and you can just paste that link into your chat and send them a snapshot of that. You can also tweet that image. You can copy the image by clicking on Control Shift S and download the image by Control Alt S and then send that image to someone. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.